Hi, it's Ron from Woods. The new Woods BH85 and BH100 Groundbreaker Backhoes have standard hydraulic features that many competitors don't have. Our swing cylinders have built-in hydraulic dampeners to slow the last 10 degrees of swing to either side. Similar hydraulic dampeners in the boom and stabilizer cylinders cushion the stop when raising. Our control valve has a main relief and 6 port reliefs to protect backhoe components and to protect your tractor. And all Woods backhoes have a boom float function for operator protection. If you have questions about backhoes or any other products that Woods builds, visit us at woodsequipment.com or call 1-800-31-WOODS.